okokugqibela elogwijo limnandi xa singena ke kule yure yokugqibela yenkqubo masibulise sibhotise sicamagushe kuwe wena othe wakhetha ukuba nathi ngeli xesha kaloku ngexesha lakho ubube nakho mhlambe ukwenza nokhetha nantoni na kodwa uthe ukhetha thina forever wena forever thina oko ke mbukeli asikuthathi njenge-teaspoon oko ke siyabulela ngokungengazinzisiyo xa sijonga ke kuvimba wethu nali elinye lamanqaku nokuthi uwalindele owayengumongameli weli uJacob Zuma uthi ukutyunjwa kwejaji uRaymond Zondo njengo-Chief Justice akuhambisani konke nomgaqo siseko isenjimlo ke ukhalosa kalubisi umadlongothi ndizicika-cika nenzwakazi yapha kwamakeba into ndibalisele yona ke kukuba inja yakhe medical aid.
Yes, izinja zinawo i-medical aid. Iyasiza ngoba uyabona makwenzeka anything kuzo izinja uyakwazi ukuthi uzise kuyiphethe ungakhiphi imali kanti ngoba phela abiza amaphethe. Uma ngathi nje uyithatha ungayithola usenkingeni.
I hope ipholile manje mbuthe iyahuzula.
Hayi no, ipholile manje bayishaya ngama-stitches lapho onyaweni yayo.
Tender love and care hayi ufudumele ndiyakuvuma.
Mbukele lokugcina ncike leli hora esingena kulona umthwalo kusobhokweni sekusele kancane ukuthi sihambe uyabona abantu ave benamaqhinga wembukeli uyabona lezi ikhathi zendlala lapha koJanuary angithi uyazi ke phela mbukeli ukuthi ke uma ngabe uphethwe indlebe abanye phela banokucontsisela nje amafutha nje bathi nje phakathi endlebeni ukuze phela ke indlebe ibe ngcono nathi nje sikhule kanjalo omunye kumuntu wathi ke kuJanuary ngasena amafutha wathi hey bakwethu ngaze ngafa indlebe akekho nje onebhodlela lamafutha awu2 litha kanti unamanga unkunzi akafuni ukuthi acontise endlebeni ufuna ukwafaka akafuni ukwafaka endlebeni lamafutha ufuna ukupheka ngoba cha inyanga itshekile hayi abantu banamaqhinga mbukeli ke singena ehoreni lethu lokugcina ake sibheke ihamba phambili.
Umphathiswa uMadume Chilwane uvakalise usizi ngokusweleka kwabafundi ababini bebanga lokuqala lesikolo samabanga aphantsi iGauhelo nakwisikolo samabanga aphantsi iKarabo eNaledi eSoweto.
Igama lami nguKhaya wakwaNdwandwe usomlando usekhaya Jikelele lapha ke siphethe indaba siphethe nezemidlalo mbukeli unganyakazi hlala nathi ekhaya Jikelele.
Owengamele ezemfundo eGauteng uMadume Chilwane uzwakalise ukudabuka malungana nokushona kwabafundi ababili abenza ibanga lokuqala esikoleni samabanga aphansi iGauhelo naseKarabo eNaledi okholakala ukuthi ke zithenge amakhekhe zawadla zaseziyashona sibe nengxoxo ngembukeli nokhulumela umnyango wezemfundo uSteve Mabona malungana nje nezinyathelo ke izothathwa ukusuka manje kuyaphambili ubeke sephawula kanje.
Abantwana bathengile lapha amakuke ekusolakala ukuthi mhlambe ngabe aphelule isikhathi singeke sazi silinde ukuthi kube iqhubhululo elenziwa kwamaphoyisa njengoba sebathomile kuza kuba nemiphumela ukuthi ngabe kwenzekeni lapho manje sesilindileke nathi kodwa abantwana babili sizwile ukuthi badlulile emhlabeni ababili abanye ke basesibhedlela bayanyangwa lapho siyathemba ke simnyango ukuthi baza kululama ngendlela yakhona uzakukhumbula ke begodu ukuthi inkolo zivaliwe ngalesi sikhathi kungakho kuthethene isikhatshanyana ukuthi umbiko lo siwuthole simnyango into esizoyibawe babelethi kona into ezinjena zenzekako bangosibikela babikele inkolo ukuthi sizazi ukuthi sihelebha kanjani nabo siyabela emndenini siyachiriya ngendlela yakhona kuyezwakala ukuthi bathenge lapha esipaza manje singeke sazi ukuthi kwenzakalani lapho ngakho sithi thina into yonke sizoyiphosela emaphoyiseni ukuthi benze urhubhululo labo sibaza kuthi ukuthi ngabe kwenzekeni into esibawa kuphela kubabelethu ukuthi abahlogomele abantwana bentwana bangase bajaduze bakhambe ungazi ukuthi mhlambe bayephi nento edliwako kufuze bazi ukubeletha ukuthi umntwana baye kuphi benzani bangase baliselele khulu babe bodwa khulu ngoba nakho lokho kuletha impilo yabantwana enkosini.
Mbukele njengamanje kufudumele lapha esifundazweni iGauteng njengamanje nje ilapha ku20 degrees kodwa ke mangabe lokho hamba usuku lizolokhu nje liguqubala kodwa liphuma ilanga liyogcina ukuthi lifinyele lapha emazingeni okushisa awu31 degrees. Ake sibheke isimo sezulu ke eindaweni nje zonke lapha eNingizimu Afrika. Sibele sikwamukele ke mbukeli lapha ekhaya Jikelele. Sibonga kakhulu ukuthi ke usahlanganyele kanye nathi. Mbukeli indaba exoxwa ngezithombe phecelezi idocumentary yakamuva nje ebhalwe umdidiyeli wamabhayisikobho uSihle Hlophe ethi Lobola a Bride's True Price. Okusho ukuthi ke ngabe ilobolo into efanele ukukhokhela umakoti ingxoxo ke adle ngayo uBhedu le kuma Safta 17. uSihle kumthatha iminyaka eminyaka yocwaningo njengoba phela kwasekusondela ukuthi ke ashade ngesikhathi ehlanganisa ke ulwazi ngeingxoxo zamalobolo ngokwehlukana kwazo ezweni jikelele. Le documentary ke mbukeli yakhe uhlose ngaye phela ukuthi aqonde kangcono ngokuxhumana okuye kube khona phakathi kwenkolo nesiko lokulobolana njengoba enqume ukwemukela nje ilobolo isoka lakhe selimcela sekithi will you marry me? Sihle sikubingelele sisi sikwamukele ke lapha ekhaya Jikelele. Sibonga kakhulu ukuthi ube nathi.
Ngiyabonga nami ukuthi ning invite.
Asiqale nje ukukhalelisele. Congratulations.
Thank you. Yathi inhlito yami nje is just bursting with joy. Ngijabule kakhulu. Yes.
I mean two, not just one. I'm sure ubuthi nje noma ngathole yodwa kanti uzowathola O2. So yini ama category?
Okay, best achievement in directing.
Wow.
Leyo vele like as a female director, especially in documentaries, I'm so grateful for because I first made my first documentary now 20 years old or 21.
Oh wow.
So to get this now, I'm really grateful. And then best overall feature documentary.
Wow.
Yes.
Manje ngoba uthe nawe waqala ukwenza first documentary ngalezi ikhathi uthando lakho lokwenza ama documentary lwaqala kanjani?
Laqala mangise film school.
Okay.
Bengititshele ukuthi ngidenda ama music video. But then as ngifunza uyabona ukuthi okay yes ngawenda nema film. But then there's this thing called documentaries.
Yes.
And ngiyo indlela lesingakhona ukukhuluma ngokuthi ngitsibobani nemlandvo wethu njengebantu. So ngayithola ukuthi it's such a good path for me ukuthi connect express.
Yeah. So okay, let's fast forward and come to a bride's true price. Ifiance yakho ithi go down, not to go down unwani wa propose kanjani?
Yeah, I propose in that Western way.
Yes.
Yeah, one. But then a few days later, unfortunately, wabe sekshona babwam. So ngabe sengiyakuda ukuthi okay, lobola ngitenda njani. Ganzi kutendeka ukuthi I wanted to make a film about Tsine as Bantu people, but our pre-colonial history.
Yes.
Before the colonizers came to Africa. And the question bebangbuta ukuthi yini into lebalekile about Bantu people.
Yes.
Ngathi dingomo. We hold them in high regard.
Yes. Indoda ngeenkomo zayo.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Right? So dingomo is how we came down from the top of Africa all the way to the southern tip of Africa.
Yeah.
Trading, you know, expanding families, etc. So then gwafiki topic lobola. Then everyone says everyone has a view lobola. And then because I was going through it Nami on a personal level, people suggest, Sihle, why don't you do a personal film?
Yes.
You can still tell the history of Bantu people, but it will be through this journey of lobola. And through your own personal journey. But there are other couples nakhona kuleli film laba represent ama cultures like different.
Ahlukahlukene. Manje ngaphambi ke kokuthi ke mhlawumbe wenze le film, yini into oyicabanga nje ama perceptions wawunawo about ilobola or imindset yakho at the time? Wawulibona ilobola njengento enjani?
Eish, benginenkinga ngelobola because of bengibona ngathi kune classism phakathi.
Yes.
Mastohlala phansi sithi nangisihle akanabantwana ufunzile une masters une masters shokes mina sengcono nalomunye umuntu.
Yes.
Mhlambe inhlitiyo yami yimbi. Mhlambe ngeke ngikhone kwakhalkhaya nathi njani.
Yes.
Yabona. So lamanye letingoco takhona nokuthi umuntu unyawo lakhe liphukile. But andibuki ukuthi unyawo lendoda liphukile.
Yes. Yeah.
Because sometimes vele kubanjalo, and even nalenkhulumo leyo it can be a bit, you know. So there's certain things about it, and then lokuyalwa yabo nokuthi ungayibuti indoda uthi ibuyaphi. Kanjani?
Oh, mase uyalwa ke usuphuma ekhaya kini kusho njalo kuthiwa ungambuzi ubovela ifudumeza ukudla kwi microwave umbuzi uthi ulambile. Oh, so wena usuyabona akulinganwa ngani hayi kungalingwanwa ubona ngathi awunazwi. Mhlambe ububuka ilobolo njenge form of ukuthi umuntu esifazane then uba inferior uyi commodity in a way ukuthi wena usuyadayiswa ukuthi ena yinkomo engake ngiyifunayo.
Yeah, bengibona njalo.
So after isiphi izifundo oyitholile after ke now you've done all this research and you've gone through all this journey, do you still perceive ilobola the same or maybe sekutshintshile?
Ayichinchile kakhulu.
Yeah.
Phela at that time bengibuya kuma Model C schools. Yabona namanje nje ukuthi ngiqede sentence ngeSwati kuba inkinga but ngiyazama ngisifunzile eSwati esikolweni. So I then had to learn about the ancestral elements, the African spirituality. Ukuthi no man, ngiyakubona konke lokhu kokuyalwa nani, but ilobola is about bringing two families and the ancestors of those families together. So my views changed drastically. Sengiyahlonipha nje kakhulu ilobola. Sengiya-understand ukuthi okay kuhlangana lamadlodi alemiti yabo. So I understand the spiritual elements now.
Yes.
So I've changed a lot, but I still have some questions.
Okay ke hayi sizoyizwa ke leyo ma questions wakho sasenawo. Okwamanje uzoxolisa udirector akasivezele iclip usizobona nje umsebenzi wakho ngale documentary yakho.
Petas. Unkwam babekela hinkwawo. Ngayikhetanga munhu la. Ayiloboli. Uyakombela ukuboshiwa.
Senza ifilm ngendaba yalobola gogo.
Aninavuka.
Hence
Amanzi waqela kanje.
200.
Uncle,
Yini mina ngawumbuka.
oh yeah, yes.
Oh, okay.
I'm conflicted about lobola. That's why I haven't gone through with the process. Men come in a room and then they discuss and decide how much a woman is worth.
Namhlanje nikhongane apha.
Namuntu sizogqibezela ba.
20,000 is too much.
Manyala ka khobo nyala wa hae. Uhlukutha ka mfutla o sa montshetsa letso.
A strong man, he needs to have more cows.
Ubuhle bendoda zinkomo.
Lokhu sikiwa saka 20,000 liya ngayenza kanjani? It's up to you.
Kuthiwa indoda ngeinkomo zayo siyabona lapha yana ngiyabona ukuthi yena yazi sihle nami ngadlula kuleyo process yamalobola ngaphambi ukuthi ngishade isikhathi esi stressful yabona impela usukukhathazekile ngoba awazi uhleze kamereni abantu bayakhuluma ngale awazi ukuthi sekhuluma ufisa ukuthi ngathi ungaba impukane ulalele ukuthi sekukuphi ngapha kune element yokuthi yena uyafuna phela ukuqhubekele phambili umuntu akuzokulobola kuqhubekele phambili yonke into ihambe kahle kodwa uthola ukuthi kwezinye ikhathi kuneyinkinga lapha kulama negotiations akusahambi ngendlela abanye bathi no thina sithi nabanye bathi no ubona kahle uthi hawo wangiphunya kumshado madoda ngenxa yeinkomo
kuba tense kufanele kube nendlela yokukhuluma kufanele uhloniphe as an approach the other family because lokho kusetha i-foundation for the relationship going forward nokuthi nibonane nje ukuthi compatible as families to come together because sometimes our values are ahluka and I think I say that money reveals character to some extent. I think futhi mhlambe ungasho yini ukuthi okunye kubalekile mhlambe ngaphambi kokuthi imindeni ihlangane kufuneka nini abantu abazoshada nibe nengxoxo mhlambe nemndenini omunye abe nengxoxo nomndeni wakho omunye abe nengxoxo mhlambe achaza ukuthi laba abantu abazoza lapha ke mama ngomgqibelo bayakholwa bona kanje so that bezokwazi nabo ukuthi mase befika baba accommodate bazi ukuthi baphuma ngoba uyabona uma ngabe omnye umndeni ufika vele uza komunye umndeni nine nisuke nizolobola in a way nisuke nisemseni walaba abantu eniyakubo kufanele niyoyihamblisha nindlale phansi before them because yinini elincengile ukuthi banilalele baphinde bavume so kulemndeni obuhamba kulama cultures ahlukahlukene ububona ukuthi mhlawumbe lemndeni ezayo ithi izocela inaso ileso simo sokuba humble noma sokuzehlisa actually lendo ngathi imidlalo yabona imidlalo kahle and labanye bayidlala kahle bajwayele vele but with each family botothola ukuthi mhlambe there's a different challenge yabona labanye mhlambe Matsonga labanye Basotho so already lapho kunema understandings like different yini ukucela amanzi abanye bathi babone iblom or imbali yabona and then others were Christian others believe like African spirituality how do you meet halfway or mhlambe kube nema financial difficulties nithenzo letha 10 cows manje letha 8 cows yabona so but then the way they overcame those difficulties is what brought them together that's why it's also a bonding exercise hayi ngiyakubona ukuthi cha after le exercise impela ilobolo silibona ngendlela right manje ukuthi hayi lokuhlanganisa imndeni so nje ikuphi kule mndeni ebenihambela noma mhlambe kulama couples ebeninawo bakhona mhlambe bagcina bengashadanga ngenxa yokuthi akuhamba kahle or ayikonke kwahamba ngohlelo no konke kwahamba ngohlelo on their journeys but with my own personal journey you have to watch the film ngithi ngisazobuza ukuthi hawu manje sisters weniphi indandatha ngiyiboni la uhambe kanjani kuwe ufuneka ubuke ifilimu ukuze uzokwazi ukuthi uthole ukuthi igcine kwenzakalana kodwa hayi ngendlela omuhle ngayo nesmile sakho ngiyabona hayi kuhambe kahle siyabonga kakhulu ke sihle ngokuthi usivakashele sikhalalisele futhi nakuma awards wakho siphinde nje sikufisele konke okukhanyayo kuhle ukuthi ngathi ungaqhubekela phambili ke nomsebenzi wakho ngiyabonga so umuntu ofuna ukubona ifilimu umuntu ofuna ukubona ifilimu angayibuka kuphi okay ifilimu liyavela ku SABC 1 so ama dates manifuna ukwabona ngicela nichecke ku page lethu lobola_bride_price where we also share lots of information about lobola and the law lobola and culture all kinds of things to empower you so that before you go through lobola you know for example to do a prenup yes because ngisanda realize ukuzwa nokuthi khona abamele bebefakile einkundleni zokuxhumana kakhulukazi lapha ku TikTok ukuthi abantu abaningi abazi ukuthi yazi wahamba wayocela wafika walobola kwaba ne celebration kwadliwa ilunch wena usungoshadile exactly so ingakho ke kubalekile ukuthi uye khona lapho usune prenup eshoyo ukuthi
kukanje.
Absolutely. Otherwise, hey, and noma ningahlukana nenze i-customary marriage, you have to divorce a court. Ungacabanga ukuthi single out there.
Kuphelile nje.
Exactly.
Hayi cha sihle siyabonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho sisi. Umbukeli lowo ke bekusihle wakwahlophe yena kungumdidiyeli wefilimu edle umhlanganiso Ilobolo a Bride's True Prize lapha ya kuma SAFTA Awards. Njengamanje ngembukeli sothi qu 8 sizobe emva komzuzwana.
Enkosi kwakhona ngokuhlala nathi nisibukele apha kaloku Ekhaya Jikelele inkqubo-ndaba eqaqambisa ulwimi lwemveli. Namhlanje ke sinesiqendu sobuxhaka-xhaka bale mihla i-technology ke ukutsho. Kudliwano-ndlebe lwethu lweZoom siqhagamshelana naye uLuvuyo Rhani nongumsunguli ke wesilulo uLutho Technologies. Siza kushukuxa ke umba wamandla okuguqula nokuphucula ubuchwepheshe kwindawo ezisemaphandleni nasezilokishini. Kwaye sakuthi ke siphonononge nefuthe lesilulo ekuxhobiseni ke nasekusebenzeni kwayo ukuvala umsantsa we-digitali. Luvuyo masikubulise sikwamkele kwinkqubo yethu Ekhaya Jikelele. Unjani wethu?
Ngiyabulisa kakhulu kuwe man. Baphulaphuli bonke kule nkqubo namhlanje ndi-right akhona kunjani kuwe?
Hayi asizawuva ngawe asinakwangxaki thina sivukile apha Ekhaya Jikelele. Luvuyo ngeke nje usixelele ngohambo lwesilulo uLutho Technologies nokuba mhlambe yaqala njani njengeshishini elincinci elithengisa ikhompyutha ezihlaziweyo?
Usilulo waqala iminyaka eyi-19. So ndasukuba ndiyitisha lapha eKhayelitsha and teacher i-accounting ne-business economics. Ngelaa xesha ke urhulumente wayene-curriculum entsha which is OBE, which is outcome based education. Ndabona mna ke ithuba lobana ootishala bayasokola ukusebenzisa ii-computers. And then ndaresign ndayeka uphangela without any kind of funding and support. Ndaqala ke usilulo nomntakwethu ke siqala sithengisa ii-computer ezindala ebhutini yemoto. Yayinobunzima kakhulu ngoko because people were saying to me siba ii-computer ezikolweni sithengise back kubo abanye sithi kuthi siyasasikho right and nexesha kwa-even ne-funding yayingekho ngoko naso sasuka singena kwezi zikolo sithengise ezi computers sabona ubana masincede ootishala bafome umgalelo bagalelane bathengelane ii-computer. Ekube sibona ubana ootishala bagalelane ii-computers sabona ubana abasebenzisi because abana-skill ubana basebenzise na. So ithatha 2 years for us to assess the leyo. After that sabona ubana masivule internet cafe, the first one in Khayelitsha, and go 2006, and then zange siyazi ubana i-digital gap umsantsa omkhulu okhoyo for abantu ba-access bamkhulu kanana because abantu befika kuthi bafuna sibayidayipele ba-applyele for imisebenzi and then 2007 savula isikolo and then 2009 sadibanisa ngoisikolo ne-business center, ne-cafe, ne-repairs, ne-maintenance, ne-subpunant. Senza ngoku i-one stop center, IT style one stop center. Yaqala ngokubana kwakho i-branch ekhoyo, yamka uFimfuleni, yamka ilanto different parts of apha eKapa. Sazovula ngo-2012 Eastern Cape. Yayona ndawo apho ke ngoku sikhula khona ngoku. And then 2017 sovula e-KZN. Ngoku sina shop ezi-43 in the as provinces zintathu siqasha abantu ba-250 sifundisa abantu more than 60,000 and 80% of them are women.
Wow. Lihle kakhulu ibali lale company yakho and I mean uyabalula into yokubana mhlambe waba ngutishala wayekelela ukufezekisa eliphupho. Niqinisekile mhlambe nawe in your wildest dreams zange ucinga into yobana mhlambe njengokuba ndiyeka nje isululutho ingabe kanti ibe kwelinqanaba obalisa ngalo. Siyaqonda wena Luvuyo into yokubana isululo uLutho Technologies ijolise ekwenzeni ubuchwephesha bufikelele eluntwini. Ingaba mhlambe ungathi ubuchwepheshe buchaphazela njani ubomi babantu ingakumbi kaloku xa sijonga ubomi bantu basemaphandleni kuba zininzi ke okanye mininzi imicelimngeni i-lack of resources ingakumbi mhlambe ezikolweni nokuba mhlambe ufumanisa into abantu abakwazi nokusebenzisa ezo computer ezo ngokubona into yokubana ingathi bashiyeke ngasemva. Ungathi mhlambe le digital gap othetha ngayo inefuthe liphi ingakumbi xa sijonga kwindawo esemaphandleni?
likhulu kakhulu ifuthe nalo na. So ingxaki ekhoyo ngoku yongamnantswe yangqesho yenziwa yila digital gap. Ngoba ngoku akusekho msebenzi, in fact isekhona but imisebenzi emininzi ngoku yenzeka virtual, digital. So awusakwazi ngoku uya emsebenzini uphethe iphepha ufaka i-CV ngoku uyofuna umsebenzi ngoku. Yonke into uyenza uhleli ekhayeni and then usebenze khona na. So uba ukwazi uconnecta, uba awuna skill so ukwazi ulanda ukusebenza and then i-connectivity yakho ayikho reliable now, uye bazele kakhulu bana ungakwazi ngoku uparticipate i-economy. So in a gap ekhoyo enkulu and the COVID yenze worse like gap there, because after COVID everything have left and moved in terms of like virtually. So abantu abaninzi ngoku even today because baphuma ezikolweni zange bafumana skill, even urhulumente ne-big businesses there, no one is kind of like finding a way yobana bakwazi abantu ubanika ezakhono na. So kulapho silulo ngoku wenze lo mehluko ubana sizisa i-center. So i-center sizisayo inoba it's like it's about 45 square meter, 45 computers, back 25 ye-internet cafe, ye-training 25, and then phambili internet cafe la siyenza bana ngoku kube lula ngoku. Yenza kwizikhiwo zakhono even kurhulumente ngoku xa ufuna i-ID yakho, instead of fola, you could just like go online and get the ID and then uye phaa department. Xa ufuna i-grant yakho, we are online and get your grant. Xa ufuna i-UIF, so all the e-government services ngoku ziyafumaneka online, but abantu abaninzi ngoku basanza laa ndlela indawo because ngoku abantu abanazo ezakhono ezikhona na. So yiloo nto uba usililo ngoku uvala umsantsa lowo, so abantu bangakwazi, abantu basokole uba bafumane izikolo, bafumane into zabo zirhulumente, bakwazi baqala amashishini abo na, because I mean ngoku ishishini olufuna lenzayo you must able to have just ukwazi uba mawube nayo i-basics uba ukwazi ungena and ukwazi bana uthumele into from urhulumente.
Yes, and ndiyanqinela nawe xa uthi mhlambe izinto zacacela ubala ngethuba kwakhona i-COVID-19, because singatsho into yobana yiyo mhlambe esathi mhlambe kuyo how can we reshape i-innovation, how can we reshape into ezifana no-science. So basically singatsho into yokubana i-COVID-19 yadetermina i-technology esizawube kanti singena kuyo. Ngaphambi kokuba ke siqhubeke sihlabele mgama nodliwanondlebe, bakhona Thomas abantu abangakholwa into yobana hey lo msebenzi wakho inoba ugxile entwenini kanye. Sizawucela ke mvukela into yokubana udirector wethu ake asirhabulise, asifincise kulo msebenzi wakho. Right, mbukeli wami, kuyabonakala into yokubana hayi basajija amaqhosha, kodwa ke xa sihlabela mgama wena Luvuyo ungabelana nathi mhlawumbe ngamabali empumelelo okanye imizekelo yabantu okanye uluntu oluxhotyisiweyo ngeenkonzo zobuchwepheshe exhotyiswa ke nini njengesilulo, kuquka mhlambe nempumelelo ye-franchises njengeka mhlambe isosi esedolophini edutywa.
Yeah, no, I mean like usilulo, I mean sayibona bana, I mean usilulo onabantu abathathu abazi-founders, myself umntakwethu Lonwabo no sister-in-law uNandi. So i-family business ekhoyo na. Ngo-2014 sayibona bana masinika i-chance kubantu baphangela kuthi usilulo, i-staff sethu siphangela kuso si-own i-franchise now. So kune-staff ezisibhozo zi-owner i-franchise kaSilulo, and kangakubana ngoku some of bona ngoku ba-investe kwi-properties, abanye ba-investe kwiindaba zelanto ze-transport, other businesses abayanazo na. And then ngoku phaa ngosasiye-Eastern Cape sabona uba kwiindawo ezininzi like koma-Lady Frey, koma-Dutywa, koma-Lusikisiki, kunabantu abane-internet cafe. Safika ngosathi especially umzekelo omhle ulanto uSoso phaa eDutywa wayene-internet cafe anayo and training anayo na. Sathi masebenzisane abene-franchise nathi and samnceda nayo ubana afumane i-funding so that azokwazi ufama infunda le franchise. Ngoku Soso, I mean kunye nathi iminyaka more than 6 ngoku eyi-franchise owner phaya na. So into esiyenzayo even naxa sekwezinye i-province into yobana sijonga abantu abakhoyo phaya and nesibaqasha abantu balapho okanye bekho umuntu okhoyo ngoku naye oba i-franchise owner azokwazi uba ne-franchise owner na. So indlela esiphuhlisa ngayo ubana sikwazi uspreada le cake siyenzayo, because le cake yobana siphuhlisa abantu bakwazi ubana bangashiyeki kuqala digital now, but iveza amathuba engayisho but iveza amathuba e-economy so abantu bazokwazi uba participate na. So yilo ndlela sinceda ngayo ubana siphuhlisa sikhuphe abanye amashishini abaphuma under usingo.
Mhle kakhulu umsebenzi wenu eniwenzayo. Siyaqonda ukubana kaloku nafumana nenkxaso mali esuka pha e-UK. Siyathemba nayo into yokubana yakwazi ba ivale umsantsa okanye inyukise ingxowa mali kwizicwangciso eninazo. Siyazidla ngani Ekhaya Jikelele, ingakumbi ngoku kaloku sikwisigaba sesine sobuxhaka-xhaka bale mihla i-4IR. Kuhle kakhulu kubantu abazabona umsantsa nokuba mhlambe ilizwe lethu lisingise ngaphi na nani nithi maningene. Sibamba ngazo zozibini Luvuyo Rhani ngexesha la kwaye sithi ndlela ntle ntingantakandini.
Nkosi kakhulu, ndiyabula kakhulu phone when bekhona apha, and then into kakhulu emandi kakhulu kum and ngoma ngazibini.
Khosi, lo ke mbukeli besithetha naye nguye uLuvuyo Rhani ongumsunguli ke wesilulo uLutho Technology, nabesichubela ke ngomsebenzi wale nkampani ekuqakathiseni nasekuphuculeni ilali nelokishi ngobuxhaka-xhaka bale mihla. Qinisekani mbukeli into yokubana ngengcombolo ezithe vetshe niyamlandela pha kumakhasi onxibelelwano. Sathetha njalo ke masithi qho evenkileni usabukele Ekhaya Jikelele.
Siphinde sikamukele ke mbukeli wekhaya Jikelele, sibonga kakhulu ngokuthi usahlanganyele kanye nathi. Mbukeli zihlala zithuthuka njalo ke ezobuchwepheshe lapha eNingizimu Afrika nje nasemhlabeni wonke jikelele. Kumanje kungenise ubuchwepheshe bokuthutha abantu. Namhlanje ke sikhuluma ngohlelo olusha lokubiza imoto olwaziwa nge-Taxi Ride app. Ukuqonda kabanzi ngale app semukela uPrince Pirikisi ongumunye ke wabasungula bale app. Prince, siyakwamukela ke la Ekhaya Jikelele, sibonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho.
Ngiyabonga kunjani?
Hayi siyaphila, wena njani?
Ngi-right.
Hayi right, ngiyakubona. Funeka unesezeke sekhaya Jikelele la. Awukwazi ukuthi ungabi right.
Of course, ngiyabonga.
Manje awusitshele ngale app yenu i-taxi.
Yeah, i-Taxi Ride.
Taxi Ride app.
Yeah.
Yeah, ukuthi iqaleke kanjani? Nibone ukuthi kune gap kwi-marketplace?
Hayi gap kuphela, but sabheka sabona ukuthi kunenkinga especially on the issue of fighting that's been happening co-industry.
Yes.
So we decided to say, why don't we have our own homegrown solution that answers to our problems in our co-industry, e-hailing and meter tax. So saqala le app, but sayiqala ngo-2016 sayi-rebranda manje.
So ngoba usho ke na ukuthi inhloso yayo is to address inkinga ekhona lapha ku-e-hailing. So ni addressa kanjani nje mungathi chaza kancanyana?
We are really addressing the issue of safety.
Yeah.
We are really addressing the issue of customer service as well. Those are the two major issues that we are addressing. So Okala, sinama panic buttons that we are going to be offering to our drivers. Sinama panic buttons that we also offer to our passengers as well. But these are for loyal customers, of course. We are not just going to give everybody. It depends on how many trips you take with us, and then you are also able to get that protection from our panic button now.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So ke ngaphandle kwe-panic button mangabe nisangena njengoba kukhona i-Uber khona lezi ezinye futhi ke ilokuzana zokuthutha, uma ngabe ningena nina lokho akuzi u-create competition for them, phinde kube nama problems, phinde anisabi ukuthi kuyaliwa la?
Cha. I think competition is healthy, especially when you're bringing in a homegrown solution, which is not just a copy and paste, which is something that understands our transport problems as South Africans. So I think competition is healthy. People also want something that they can relate to, that speaks to our transport issues. Kuyafana nama driver. They are really happy ukuthi bona ama operators, they'll be able to work with us. Especially ama compliant operators, because sisebenza nama operators are compliant.
Nanokuthi ke uma ngabe ke nasenisebenza mhlawumbe uqinisekisa ukuphepha kwabo kabashayeli kanjalo nababagibeli ikuphi mhlawumbe okusho kungekho kulaba abanye, like for example ngiyazi ukuthi kukhona abanye abangaphephile kube yibo abashayeli uthola ukuthi omunye umuntu usefaka ama details emoto sesibona manje ikakhulukazi abantu besifazane bethatha lolu hlobo le transport sebenza show ukuthi nansi imoto engigibelile number plate yayo ngoba kune high inombolo yabantu ama human trafficking njalo njalo so nina abe no driver mhlawumbe mabengena la kini nenza siphi isiqiniseko sokuthi abantu aba credible abantu aba right abangasizo mhlawumbe igebengu for example.
Okay, so sisebenza no South Africa National Taxi Council.
Okay.
Izindaba. You know I council ya matekisi. So bona bayasinceda nabo ukuthi sikwazi ukucheck ama driver, siyenze screening and nathi e-office yethu we are also doing ama screening for ama drivers. Asiyeke nje udriver download the app angene ku platform asebenzise. We screen them and we make sure that they are compliant, they have operators permits. Because asebenza nabantu bangakwazi emthethweni.
Yeah. So ke usakhuluma ngabo driver ke mhlawumbe ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi o driver ukuthi ibona bazothola imisebenzi indlela yokuthi kuvuleka amathuba emisebenzi mhlawumbe khona amanye amathuba ngaphandle kwalawo kuba o driver avulekile emsebenzi.
Hayi cha angithi siyenza ilonto transport for e-hailing. So kwamanje the business that is there is for transport. We are addressing the transport problem that is there right now. We are not trying to reinvent the wheel too much.
Yes. Yeah. So ke uma ngabe mhlawumbe umuntu uhlezi usekhaya naye uthi yazi anginawo umsebenzi ngingajabulela ukuthi ngihambe ngiyosebenzela laba ngibe u-driver. Ithini process lapho kungenwa kanjani?
Hayi uyabona le industry le yamatekisi so kuyafana ukuthi nawe angithi hlezi kanje ngayithi ngikhombi manje uyifake endleleni akwenziwe kanjalo kunemithetho the things that they have to screen the things that they have to check ukuthi now are you compliant unayo na i-operators permit. So I wouldn't say it's just an open market for everyone.
So i-taxi ride ke njengamanje kwamanje itholakala kuziphi indawo isekhona mhlambe whole of South Africa or nisaplana isasendaweni ethize kodwa as time goes izosabalala?
We made our grand launch on the 20th of September and then we were screening our drivers but trainer until the 1st. So then we opened up for our riders on the 1st ukuthi bakwazi ukurequesta. So siqale ku-Gauteng, Newcastle, Bloemfontein, KZN and Cape Town. So those are the cities that we've really started. We are busy going into other regions. On the 11th, we are launching in Rustenburg as well. Yeah.
Manje kwenziwa njani ufuna ungena kule taxi ride app? Itholakala kanjani? Sengisho ukuthi umbukelo osekhaya ke naye ukuthi siyakwazi ukudownload or
abangene kuma app stores wabo.
Okay.
Bayochecka kuma app stores. Ama driver ibizwa u-taxi ride. Taxi driver, sorry. I'm a driver, but taxi driver is TEKSI driver. Yes. And then I'm a passengers, but download the TEKSI rider.
Okay.
Yes.
Taxi rider. For uma ngabe wena umgibeli uthi taxi ride, uma ngabe umshayeli uthi taxi drivers. Bese kuyayithola i-app. Emva lokho kusuyakwazi ukuthi uyisebenzise. Ngabe kuphephile kweze imali for example ngoba siyazi ukuthi abantu bakhokha amakhadi bafaka ama details abo laphana ngesitho sesiskenyo.
Hayi cha. We are here to answer. We are not in San Francisco or in Estonia. We are here. Uzondinga mawuthola umuntu scam ikhadi lakho uzoprint icopy ikhadi lakho.
So just so far usebenza mhlawumbe nabantu abangaki nje like roughly?
Abantu basebenza emsebenzini or ama driver baba registered.
Sengisho nje inkampani in general or maybe ake sithi ama driver sobona ukuthi lezi imoto iningangakanani.
So until this morning, we were almost 2,000 something drivers.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I'm a driver I register now. But we are born into my car. I get 2-3 days back. Sakala ukuthi abantu baqala request. So mhlambe uzothola ukuthi it 15 minutes ukuthi driver fike akulande because isaqala. So ama riders now we are asking them ukuthi nabo babe patient kancane. Ngithi saqala maybe after 2-3 months or after a month uzothola 1 minute.
Ngoba zobe seziningi imoto ezikhona mhlambe just around the corner. Nanokuthi mhlawumbe uphinde ubacebise nje umlayezo omunye ongawudlulisa ukuthi mhlawumbe umuntu mayefuna ukurequesta ashesha request ahead of time so that ezonika isikhathi esanele to driver ahambe azafike.
Ikhona leyo option.
Yes.
We have an option that says you can schedule your trip. So ungaschedule ama trip wakho for the whole week. Even for today mhlambe imanje mangisuka la ngithi ngifuna ukurequest after 30 minutes ngizothola imoto ize England. So lokho that option is there as well. before scheduling ama-trips.
Okay, hayi cha sikufisela unhlanhla ke le app yenu i-taxi ride.
No, siyabonga kakhulu.
Sengazuthi ke hayi konke kungahamba kahle. Sethembe nokuthi sophepha ngoba i-safety inkulu kakhulu into enkulu kakhulu ekhalazisa abantu ikakhulukazi abantu besifazane nkosami ngoba sizwa singaphephile. So ke hayi lo panic button iyo le yathi ngiyibuka. Oh, so mangene emotweni ngizothola lokho.
Hayi, siyokunikeza. You have it. It will have response. The response team can respond to you in even 10 minutes. In the ambulance services there as well. So ungayisebenzisa even outside i-taxi ride. So we are giving to our customers nama drive. So these are the things that we have for abantu because the panic button is a phone in. Ayisebenzi. Angithi abantu babakutshontshela baqala ukuntshontsha ifone.
Ususeleka usenayo. So yiyo ke i-panic button. So uyanginikeza ngihlala nayo. Nami sengathi ngelinye ilanga nje ngithi ngilele mangizothi ngishawa heart attack
yebo.
Ishone kwi-ambulance.
Ungayisebenzisa.
I got this is actually very cool.
But it's for our loyal clients only. Asinikeza wonke umuntu.
Manje ukuze ngizoba loyal customer friends njani? Request kakhulu.
Request kakhulu.
Okay.
Request kakhulu. We will definitely at least 20 trips a month. Siyakunikeza i-panic button.
Hayi cha siyabonga kakhulu ke ngesikhathi sakho sethembe konke kuzohamba kahle cha hayi sibona ngathi uhlelo oluhle ke ababukeli ke abazolijabulela kakhulu sibonge kakhulu ke lo mbukeli bekuPrince besixoxa naye la mayilana ne-taxi ride kuyi-app entsha ke abathe baqhamuka nayo bathi khona ke endaweni ezahlukahlukene downloada nje wena ke ukuze uzoyithola okwamanje mbukela sinje ke qu8 losobi emva komzuzwana.
Enkosi kwakhona ngokuhlala nathi nisasibukele kaloku apha ekhaya Jikelele. Ukolula nokuzivocavoca umzimba kulula kakhulu kunokuba ucinga kwaye akufuni nokuba ude ube kanti uya kwindawo yokuzivocavoca. Nangona ke i-weight lifting ithathwa njengondoqo ekwakheni izihlunu zezinye ke zininzi ke ezinye intshukumo zokuzilolonga kunye nendlela onokuthi uzenze naphi na ukomeleza kunye nokuvuselana umzimba wakho wonke. Ngoku ke sizawuthetha naye umqeqeshi okuzivocavoca uNkululeko Madonsela ukunika ke ingcebiso malunga noqeqesho lokuzilolonga olunokwenziwa ekhaya. Nkululeko masikubulise sikomkele ekhaya Jikelele.
Ngiyabongela nami nakuzibukele zonke ezikhona emakhaya.
Khosi ndiyaqonda mhlambe ngoku into bana sesingena kwisama bathi uba ufuna umzimba qiniseka into kubana wenza ngewinter. Is it too late to start?
It is late kodwa ke uyazi ukuthi all the time yonke into masuyiqalile once wayiqala wenza sure ukuthi uyayigcina ngaso sonke isikhathi ila ikwazi ukwenza khona ukuthi ube ubonakala umzimba ukuthi khona into oyenzayo.
So i-progress umuntu angayibona ngoDecember if uyaqala namhlanje.
Angayibona ngoDecember.
Kancane
nje ukuthi ayibone ukuthi hayi no i-confidence isikho.
Njengoko ke ungumqeqeshi oqeqesha kwezokuzilolonga ingaba mhlambe umuntu intone ekumele ba uyayijonga xa ethi jonga ndifuna i-personal trainer zithini guidelines?
As a personal trainer guidelines ukuthi kahle i-personal trainer isuke izokwenza ukuthi ikufundise mayelana nomzimba wakho ukuthi mangabe uziqeqesha kufanele ukuthi ume kanjani for ukuze ekugcineni ukwazi ukuthi ube ne-safety. Yonke into yenzayo ngoba konke kwesisikhathi siyasiqala senze izinto kanti manje siyalimaza something ukuze sakhe something ngiyabona. So i-personal trainer ke is there ukuthi ikwazi ukuthi ikuncedise ukuthi no lokhu kwenziwa kanje and kufanele ume ngalendlela uma ngabe uzokwenza khona.
And again into bana ibalekile nokuba uestablish i-chemistry between i-personal trainer yakho so that na usebenzisana.
Definitely ibaleke kakhulu lonto le ngoba umuntu ofuna ukwazi ukumthemba. So that's why le chemistry balekile ukuthi ibe khona.
Ungathi mhlambe njengoko uyi-personal trainer xa ungena mhlambe kwi-gym ungathi zeziphi mhlambe impazamo abantu abazenzayo qonda ba ivale
ukuthatha kakhulu izinto ezikhona kuma social medias bese funa ukuzenza umuntu mayefika ejimini kanti ngaleso sikhathi leso yena umzimba wakhe awaka kulungele ukuthi naye ungakwazi ukwenza lezo zinto ngoba yonke fitness kuno level 1 kuno level 2 kuno level 3 so ufuna kuma uqala ube ku level 1 then bese uyakhula ke kanjalo as umzimba wakho uyijwayela into then that's when uzokwazi ukuqhubekela uye phambili.
And when you speak of fitness abanye abantu baye bayibekele bucala indaba ye diet. Ngiyakhalela uqonda into kubana xa kuziwa kumba we diet ungathi wena what is your main rule because uzofumanisa mhlambe omnye athi no after 8 o'clock andikuphathi kwa uphatha ukutya.
Into ebaluleke kakhulu mina ngiye ngicebisa abantu mangabe size ezintweni zokudla yenza sure ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi udla according to your blood type ngoba igazi lakho likhona izinto esuke zilinazo eziningi ukudlula ezinye. So uma ngabe udla according to i-blood type izokwazi ukuthi ikunikeze lokho ongenako ukuze kukwazi kube ikona ukukuncedisayo ukuthi umzimba ube in balanced.
Yeah, uthethe into ebalekile mawuthi blood type. Into ethi umuntu makajonge into kubana ngokuphi ukutya oku-aligna ne-blood type. And into mhlambe esingake siyiveleyo siyathemba into kubana mhlambe kwambeni kwexesha sake sixovule sive into kubana u-blood type bani uhambelana nantoni. Usathetha ngalonto and yahalela uqondo ba mhlambe umuntu othi mina andi-afford mhlambe into kubana ndibe ne-personal trainer okanye ndiye ejimini. Zeziphi mhlambe i-equipments apha ekhaya umuntu ongasebenzisa mhlambe xa ifuna ukuzilolonga?
Kukhona ama-resistant bands, kukhona izitep ezitholakalayo, kukhona ama-dumbbell, and even umzimba wakho nje uyakwazi ukuthi ube ilokhuzana i-equipment ongakwazi ukuthi uyisebenzise ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi uyijimise ngayo.
Hayi bakhona ke nensizwe oziphetha uhambi wedwa.
Yes ma.
Azisondela. Hayibo ndithi bazowuka ini besenza izikwazi. Hayibo. Kovela nje kwangenwa nje. Ndiyaqonda ukubana xa siyiqukumbela inkqubo kune gym session enizawusenzela yona kwaye siyathanda into yobana nababukeli babe inxalenye yabo. Ungathini nje ukukhuthaza umbukeli into yokubana aqale ajime because omnye uzothi no ndiyafisa mhlambe kudala from last year ndithi ndiyaregister omnye saphethe lo membership akakangeni.
Yes.
Why is it important for umuntu abe consistent kwisigqibo sakhe xa kuziwa kwi-fitness?
Into ebaluleke kakhulu ukuthi i-fitness ikwazi ukuthi ikuncedise emzimbeni wakhe, ikwazi ukukuncedisa futhi nasengqondweni ngoba iyahambelana. Your inability and the outer appearance ifanele ibe in line ngoba imood yakho uma usejimini iyashintsha automatically. Uma nilokhuzana your physical appearance you get totally confidence ngokuba ubone ukuthi azi ngijimile and you know I look good.
Yes, I look good. Lalela nami ndizawuthi ndenze qha ingqondo ngabe ichops so next time. Xesha ababukeli bajongile iqonga leleni.
Siyabonga kakhulu ma. Okay. On this side. Music. So we're gonna start with the squat. Yes, as we're warming up with the march. Warm up with the march. Nice and easy. Raise your core, lift up your chest. 4, 3, 2, let's start with the squat and the easy squat. Nice and easy. Always try to make sure that you keep your upper body on your core and the chest up. It's like you are sitting on your couch, trying to sit on your couch all the time. Use your arms to get the motion and the movement of your body. 4, 3, 2. Now you're gonna take one level up by lifting up your heels and up. 2 more to go. We're still warming up all the muscles. Yes, nice one. So it's very easy, even at home. We lounge yakho. Wenze sure nje ukuthi uyayipusha. 2, 1, up. Now give me a jump. Nice and easy. Jump. Stay on one level. While they're doing the jump, you can still remain because remember, level yethu ye-fitness ayifani. As uqala ejimini, awukakwazi ukujump up on your squat, you stay on level 1. 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. Now, if you've got a step at home, then you can use your step. If you don't have a step at home, you can always be on the floor. With me, I will be on the floor as the 2 gentlemen will be on the stair. Yes. 4, 3, a single knee up. Single knee up. Up. Use your core. Use your arms as you're crunching on your obliques. Let's go. 1. Push. Let's go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Keep on going. Don't stop. At least for a minute or half a minute and working towards that goal. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. March back. March. Nice and easy. Keep on marching. Now even you are doing the marching by lifting up your knees up, you're working out your core.
Yes. Yes. Ziyabuya anisakhathele. Kaloku benjima nam.
Awu angubona umjuluko. Angubona umjuluko.
Sokukhatha kangako. Sibambe ngazo zozibini kaloku kuye uNkululeko Madonsela. Mesinikeza kaloku umbukele sibonisa into kubana xa usekhaya zeziphi exercises ongazenza uqinisekisa into kubana uhlala udlamkile. Kodwa ke siyabashiya ababukeli bethu.
Sizonibona kusasa ababukeli sibonga khulu ukuthi nibe nathi. Imali zithi 6 AM sobe sesila nibe nosuku oluhle nisale kahle.